Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 955 and I'm gonna show you how to charge this watch. To charge this watch you will need a couple of things. You will need a charging cable that was provided with your watch. Looks like this. You have a USB end and the Garmin end. I don't know if it has a special name, but basically looks like this. You have 4 pins inside of the plug. You will also need an access to, for example, charging brick or maybe computer, so you can plug in the USB end into it. Okay, and that's about all basically. I'm also gonna use this USB extension cable because my AC power plug in the wall is quite far away from the desk, so I need to basically extend the cable so I can show you how it works. Okay, so first let's plug in the USB end of the cable to the charging brick. So I'm gonna plug in the USB extension to the charging brick like this. Then I'm gonna plug the cable into extension like that. Come on, like this. And now I'm gonna plug in the brick into a power outlet in the wall. Come on. Okay, like this. Now we can take the Garmin end of the cable and rotate the watch. And as you can see on the watch we have the plug with the 4 pins. Basically take the cable, align it, and then push it in until you hear the click. And once you hear the click, the watch will be plugged in and it will be charging, as you can see. And once you're done charging, you can simply unplug it from the watch. It is quite hard to unplug sometimes because the plug is holding well, so you need to struggle with it, but it does come off. And once you're done, you can also unplug the cable from the charging brick. And that's how you charge this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.